It's the craziest lightsaber sale of the year. Hello there guys, I'm Kevin at the saberfactory.com, and Black November starts November 1st up to November 30th. Yes, we're running the sale for the entire month of November. So just like last year, you'll have two selection of offers. A selection of lightsabers that are 25% off, you simply have to use BF25 at checkout, and another selection of lightsabers where any two lightsabers you pick in this collection, you'll have one of the lightsabers 40% off. You simply use BF BOGO during checkout, and this applies to already discounted sabers. So you're applying, discounts on already discounted sabers, but wait, it doesn't stop there. We're running our charity event just like last year. You donated $4,099.25 last year through this event, and we hope to beat that number this year. It's the same charity, Les Liens du Cœur. It's based in what used to be for 35 years my hometown of Bordeaux, France. Again, remember, we're based in France, and this charity helps children with congenital heart diseases to get through the awful process, through the disease, through sometimes a heart transplant, and they help families get together because there is just one medical center that's available in our region to help those children. And I believe it is in the DNA of the Star Wars community to help each other, to lend a hand, and also to help children. So we're running the sale the entire month, which is all the more reasons to get more for the non-profit and to help the charity even more. It's simple, you have nothing to do. Automatically, every order made through the website from the 1st to the 30th of November will automatically donate 10% of the item's value in your cart. And we will do the donation when the operation is over, and we will keep you posted on Instagram, TikTok and all. Basically, you have to do nothing but to forego your discount code. If you do not apply any discount to your cart, we do the donation. So it's just a choice that you have to make. If you can afford to just forego your discount, your Black November offer, or any other offer that we might have for you at this time of the year, then you will be helping a lot. So just think about it, and I hope we can do better than last year. Thank you very much. May the Force be with you. Enjoy the sales season.
You don't know the power of this discount code.